Molly, John.
Okay.
Is this recording me?
No.
Oh, I'm wearing this. So don't cuss.
Foxford, ask her for some little gloves. You got your gloves? What you have to do, the main thing you got to do is be like Molly, be like, ah! Take me home. That was the main thing for Molly. So it's like, I'm done.
I feel like 20 pounds heavier with all this stuff. Yeah, I feel like there's a cinder block on top of my head. I like one of those, like an alien.
I guess I'm going to get on the street part, Foxford.
You see my shadow?
I get on first. Huh? Let me get. I'm gonna get on. I'm gonna get on straight on the street though. Hold on, let me put it in neutral.
Okay.
Hey, let me get going on the straight part up here. All right. Just I feel better about being going straight.
Okay.
Yeah, you just grab.
Oh.
You good? You hold on, and you just hold on to me.
It may fog up, sorry, but otherwise you smack him in the back of the head.
Okay.
Yeah, you just don't lean anything other than what I do.
Don't kill me.
So it's not too bad.
Mm-mm.
All right, let's see. I don't think anybody's coming. It is a little different with somebody else in the back.
Ah!
Yeah, don't fall off. I'm saying hold on. You having fun?
Yeah.
It's not too scary.
Mm-mm.
If another car comes, that's when I know it made Molly nervous. And rightfully so.
I trust you. It's like riding a four-wheeler.
Yeah. Just don't fall off the back.
Oh, okay. I'll try not to. It would scare me to drive this out on like 280.
Right.
I don't know how the redneck Harley ladies get on the back. Those motorcycles always look like boats, so.
Yeah, they usually have like a rear seat, like Ben has his for Christine, where she can lean back. Yours, if you lean too far back, you'd fall off. That's why it's important to hold on. All right, we're coming to a stop. I'm just gonna roll it.
Skirt!
Mm-hmm. It's lugging a little bit.
Ooh, that's a cute house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're back at Molly and Fox's.
We can keep going if you want to.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Not much to it?
No.
Okay.
I survived. Plus, it's like super hot.
Yeah, that's part of it. Not so bad.
That wasn't bad. I'm really hot.